Sankarshan here with me. Sankarshan, what's the sense that you're getting? The Aam Aadmi Party seems to have caught the imagination of people. The BJP finding it difficult to break through that kind of euphoria that exists around the Aam Aadmi Party?
You know, Navika, this has been one of the most exciting elections that I have seen as a journalist. You know, the kind of rivalry or one-upmanship generated. And essentially, I would say that that's the handiwork of the Aam Aadmi Party. It got wiped out in the Lok Sabha elections a few months back. It seemed Arvind Kejriwal lost his contest to Modi in Banaras very badly. It seemed the Aam Aadmi Party story was over. There was dissension in the party. People left. People spoke against each other. But suddenly, come the Delhi election, you see this eruption of sort of ground level karyakartas, meetings. You know, it's you know, actually, I'm quite blown by the kind of.
But it is a do or die battle for them in Delhi, yes, because if they do not win Delhi this time, then they're going to be political history.
Oh, you know, I wouldn't say history, but it's going to be a huge setback if they can't make it this time. Because, you know, I think Aam Aadmi Party has taken its own expectations, its own campaign to a level where they think they are now there to govern Delhi. I think if they get a setback in this election now, if they get pipped at the post, it's, you know, I think that party is... there are schisms within the party, and they've been obvious to all of us. I think, you know, it'll be terribly bad news for the Aam Aadmi Party if they can't peak this time, get pipped, and then, you know, it's going to be downhill for them from here, at least for a while.
Another feeling that we got from the ground was that the people are not away from Modi. You know, 8 months doesn't mean that Modi is no longer popular. But when it comes to Delhi, they want to give a new party a chance. That's the sense that we got. Of course, wherever we've gone and wherever the BJP workers have been there, they've been extremely enthusiastic. But clearly, it's an extremely close contest, Arnab. Till the last minute, you can't say, you know, which party is going to race ahead. Absolutely. It is a photo finish.
Absolutely. If I can make a small point. You know, Navika, I went to high school here in this locality. This is typically post-partition Delhi, refugee colony, alternating between the BJP and the Congress all the time. If there is a new force called the Aam Aadmi Party, a relatively new force, making a presence felt here, then, you know, politics on the ground in Delhi are changing or getting altered. And I think the Aam Aadmi Party is going to take a lot of heart from the very fact that they can you know,
now I want to ask something.
Typically Congress BJP alternating territory like Rajendra Nagar, New Rajendra Nagar.